How we can fix the Android license status unknown? Run flutter doctor hyphen hyphen Android underscore license error. Actually, such a big thing. Let's see.
Hello everyone, let's see how to fix the issue which is the Android license not accepted in Flutter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you what is the issue. Here I'm going to say in the terminal of Android Studio Flutter doctor. Alright, here we see Android license status unknown error. I'm going to just copy this issue and then I'm going to just paste that here for future, right? Okay, now all we have to do is close your current project in the Android Studio, click config, and then sorry, not config, actually it's preferences. Then here go to SDK tools, and then here click Android SDK command line tools. It will be installed the latest one. Click apply. Now you have to download the file. Okay, click accept, next. Alright, it's downloaded. Now I'm going to click OK and open my project again. Now in the terminal we can just say flutter doctor. Alright, now it's only showing an warning. Now we have to say in the terminal flutter doctor hyphen hyphen Android hyphen license says license, actually sorry, licenses. Okay, I'm going to say Y for yes, everything Y. I'm accepting everything now, it's boring. Okay, let's try again flutter doctor. Okay, thank you very much, it's working. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.